When you're starting a business for the first time, it can be very overwhelming, specifically in online business. So here are a few things that can help you on this journey and help you start your business on the right track. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jamie from jamiebraddy.com. For the latest videos on entrepreneurship, finances, and coaching, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single week. The very first step and the very first thing that you need to do is deciding on what type of business you are going to start. Whether that's selling a digital product online, or if you're going to be providing a specific service to your clients. This is really important because you want to feel comfortable, confident on what you're going to be offering, and also you want to make sure that it's something that you are going to love and enjoy doing. Second step, after you have decided on what type of business you are going to start, you want to do some research and make sure that this business idea is marketable and profitable, because you want to make sure that eventually you're going to make money and that there are real people out there needing the type of product or service that you will be providing them. First step is, once you do your research, now you want to decide on the business structure. So how are you going to structure your business? Are you starting as a sole proprietor, or are you going to register your business as a business entity? So this is important because it will help you with your taxes and also personal liabilities. Fourth step is choosing a business name. This is really important and it can be very difficult, but I advise you to keep the name simple, keep it professional, and make sure people will be able to pronounce it. This is all going to help you once you start marketing your business, like creating your website or any other marketing materials. Also, when you are deciding on a business name, you want to make sure that no one else has it. Step number 5 is registering your business federally and in the state that you live in. You want to make sure that your business and your brand are legally protected. Also, you're going to have the option to use your social security number or to receive an EIN number, employer identification number, to use specifically for business purposes. Comment below if you are currently starting your online business and maybe have already implemented some of these steps, or if you're taking the leap into entrepreneurship. I would love to know. Step number 6 is opening up a bank account, specifically a business bank account, because you want to make sure that you are keeping your personal and business finances separately. When you open your business account, you have the option to, again, use your EIN number if you have one, or your social security number. But what you do want to use is your business name, because this bank account, again, will be only for business purposes. Step number 7 is making sure you have all the essentials that you need in order to run an online business successfully. So for example, a reliable computer, reliable internet, maybe a computer desk and a computer chair, and if you need it, a fax machine, a printer, a scanner, and all of those things. You don't have to get fancy. You don't have to go overboard and spend hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars on expensive equipment. You can start with what you have and only what you need at the moment. As you grow in your business and you start making revenue, then you can upgrade to other stuff. Number 8 is start marketing your business before you invest in a website and all these other expensive marketing materials, because you want to use what's available to you and not spend so much money before you start making money. So what I mean by this is that use your social media to your advantage. Use different platforms. Start marketing your business on there. Also, market your business to your friends, to your family. You can go to networking events. There are many, many different ways that you can start spreading the word about your new business before you invest on other expensive marketing materials. I hope this video was helpful. If you are in the process of starting your online business or thinking of taking the leap into entrepreneurship, make sure that you join our private Facebook community where you'll find other aspiring coaches, consultants, and service providers. Also, make sure to grab our free guide that can help you throughout your journey using the link in the description. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and share it with all of your friends. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day and blessed week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.